One of the things that sucks about trucking during the pandemic is there's no sit-down food anywhere. I have to get my food, come back to the truck and eat it. Normally, I use eating as an excuse to get out of the truck, because being in a truck, this is about a 5 by 12 cell, so it's pretty much like being locked up. So, nice excuse to get out of the truck is to go get something to eat. So, yeah, I mean, you can do some wandering around and stuff, but it's not really, like, there's not a lot going on I was going to flip the camera, but I can't. So, anyway, like right now, I'm out in the middle of nowhere in Kansas. There's farmland as far as you can see. I'm actually at a service plaza. So, anyway, that's one of the things about trucking during the pandemic that kind of sucks, is the have to bring food back to your truck. Plus, I don't like eating in my truck because you end up with crumbs or spills or all kinds of crap, because I have a very strict no open top cup, meaning that if you can't seal it, put a lid on it. I usually don't have it in my truck, but with all this crap going on, I have. My one exception is coffee, and I have dropped either 2 or 3 cups of coffee in the last month. Luckily, Bella has indoor-outdoor carpet, and it mops up pretty easily. The crumbs, though, the crumbs are annoying. I don't like having the crumbs all over my floor and stuff. It's unneat looking, and I'm not the neatest person, but it just drives me nuts. I don't like crumbs all over my floor. So, being that I only wash the truck about once a week, that's usually when I vacuum it out, because I don't carry a vacuum cleaner with me. A lot of guys do. I don't. I prefer the powerful ones that the truck washes have. They do a better job, and they cost $1 to use, as opposed to spending $40, $50 on a vacuum cleaner to only find out that it doesn't work with crap. So, that's the story. Anyway, I'm going to eat these before they get cold, and, well, the fries do anyway, and then we'll get back on the road. Oh, I found out a new video method, we'll call it, that I'm going to be experimenting with. So, anyway, I'm going to eat my food. Later. Maybe later. 35 in Iowa.
I've been thinking about the future.
No need to take off up the road here. Neither one of them can do the speed limit, so we'll just get out here and step by step.
Don't even know where to begin. If I allow myself to dream, will it be as good as it seems? Pull me out of this place in the middle. Nothing more to embrace.
Now we're gonna drag race. Didn't want to move over. Let me off. Now we're gonna drag race. Oh, because he's on his phone.
Take me up into the mountains, send me off into the wild. Misery is still a path I would choose if the alternatives are worse. I guess it's time to find a friend, one who will stick by to the end.
Walcott, Iowa. World's largest truck stop.
Out of my mind in the middle, wasting all of my time in the middle. I take a bite then spit it out, unaware of what it's about. I'm not that good at
everybody, done for the day. We're at the world's largest truck stop. 850 parking places, Walcott, Iowa. I can't really see much here, but building's back here behind me. I'm gonna go ahead and get something to eat, call it a day. She's gonna wind down, and we got 222 miles to do tomorrow morning. Make our delivery in Wisconsin. So don't know what's going on after that, but I just looked over and saw this. See if we can. There you go. It says world's largest truck stop. Anyway, y'all have a good night. Later.